New Age Tactical.
New Age Tactical back with another knife review. I found this one that really intrigued me. The price on this was $14.77 on Amazon. Sponsorship. No. Everyone knows the name. Everyone loves it. And it's a beast. I mean, listen to this. K-Bar, the Gila folding knife. Now, this thing here is an absolute monster.
It's clean.
Definitely not a flipper.
Holy shit.
Yeah, so being that it was K-Bar, just like a well-known name, and it was cheap, I'm like, hey, let's give it a shot. You stop moving my damn beer.
F you.
It's just pretty damn robust. There's no flick in here. I mean, this thing's a fixed blade that folds. The handle's not too bad. The pocket clip's a little uncomfortable. Pocket clip's not movable, and it's tipped down. Right? Tipped down. No wiggle. Strong. It's got the line lock, which I like. One thing I tell you off the bat, I don't like opening it with two hands or having to. I mean,
But that thing is huge.
you can open it with one finger, but your thumb is getting a little bit of a workout. I mean, has the K-Bar right in there. I like the way the blade's shaped. I mean,
It's very different than what I expected.
This is like a folding Bowie knife.
This is going to be very noticeable in my pocket.
Yeah. But
I will definitely feel the difference. But I mean, yeah, I do. I like to feel I don't think you're going to have any issues with your hand.
that's a serious knife.
Surprised, though, with one hand.
It's hard.
No, I thought that was actually...
So I was using my nail more because of the.
I'm going with the finger. Yeah,
Yeah.
that's gonna hurt if you stick your hand in there. But that's like, oh, I like that. All right.
That's a badass looking knife. That looks like some shit out of The Hunted. What's his name? Benicio del
Toro.
Benicio del Toro.
Do not bother him.
Throwing it at that f***ing tree and.
He is hunting.
Damn, I thought that she was about to skin you.
But no, nothing came off.
No?
Just making sure. Yeah.
Oh, there you go.
All right. Yeah, there it goes. Okay.
Wow. Because there's so much weight and like so much robustness behind it, it's actually making it easier. It's like
assisting you.
It's like using a meat cleaver to cut like a carrot, you know what I mean? Wow.
You can hear it. Ooh. Huh. That was odd.
But you know what though?
The thickness of the blade,
Yeah.
the foam board squeezes it more.
I think so. Damn, when there's no resistance on the sides of the blades, it just runs through things like that.
Oh,
Chef fucking Gordon Ramsay here. Wow.
Nine.
We still had one more.
We still have one more swing. Yes.
I'm gonna tell you now, this pocket clip is tearing my finger up.
Really?
Yeah, it hurts. But that's also with swinging it though. You know what I mean? That's not like daily use. That's actually trying to do some damage. Just a hair under a half an inch. I mean, that's like half pressure. I'll go full pressure.
Oh.
That's not even full pressure. I could have went a lot harder than that.
Got the blade all rusty with the inside of the can.
It's a couple burrs. So
There is a spot.
there's a spot, but I'm telling you, we had like a leather strap, whatever you call them, strap, and real quick, this thing would be back to normal.
3, 2, go. You're fucking kidding me.
What?
What? What the just happened?
Test over.
Clean insert too. Like,
It didn't even it barely started cracking the wood.
this is taking a lot longer than I expected.
Yeah, this is just not. Does not want to.
Yeah,
Oh, bro.
that hasn't moved more than an inch. It is great, but I think it's not sharp enough for its own thickness. 1, 2.
Doesn't look like a bad cut. Actually.
It's not bad down here. It's just this little section right here. It looks like it got butchered.
Well, where the tip wasn't.
Yeah, probably if I came down as it was coming down, the tip was scraping across here. So.
Yeah. I don't know what to say because I'm so disappointed.
We were on such a hot streak.
So this knife blew me away out of the box. This thing feels like a damn crowbar. Did not think we were going to have any issues with any of the tests. Went through the can test. It burred up the blade. That's fine. I mean, kind of expect that on a cheaper knife. The tip test. Man, one stab, not even with a hammer. Snapped that tip right off.
First stab.
Now, after the batoning and everything else, there's a ton of play in the blade. I've noticed the safety is actually kind of messed up because the blade is pushing on it. So you kind of got to pull back on the blade to use the safety. When you close it, it scrapes.
Ooh.
The handles are moving. The blades move. I mean, I guess obviously the handles move. The blade's gonna move because that's what's holding it. But just all in all, it kind of like fell apart on us.
And again, like I said it before, you can see it on camera how butchered the blade is now.
Yeah, and I mean, not to mention like my hand is fucked up from that from the pocket clip.
Is that a little bit of skin in the palm from that?
Yeah, from stabbing, from just my whole hand hurts.
The scary part is though, it happened on the first stab. That really could happen at any moment. Would you trust to have a knife that might actually snap that easily?
No. You know what the funny part was when we first started this, I was like, yo, this would be the knife I'd want in the woods if I was stuck in the woods. Now, I mean...
You would have made it past the first day.
No, the batoning didn't even work well because it's so thick and it's not, like you said before, it doesn't match its sharpness with its thickness. So it's not cutting and splitting. It just...
The foam board really did prove that.
Yeah.
It stopped dead in its tracks on the foam board.
I'm blown away that the tip broke on the first try. Like, this thing looks like a chisel. This thing looks like a fucking crowbar. This thing looks like I can stick it into a door and pry a door open. And it's heavy and it felt that way.
I was going to spend 5 minutes praising this, and now it just kind of like...
It kind of blew everything out of the water.
You're getting what you pay for sure.
But hey...
You want $15? This is $15.
In all, for $15, it's not a bad knife. I mean, it passed every single test up until the tip test, which you're not going to be... In no real-world scenario are you going to be trying out the tip test. I don't know, guys. Let us know what you think. Like we say every time, post in the comments. We want to know what you want to see, what you don't want to see.
Like and
good,
subscribe.
What's bad. Like and subscribe. Check us out on Instagram. We're posting up pictures almost every day. Funny shit, cool shit, real life shit. Other than that, New Age Tactical over and out.